First, obtain a matching blank key, often a sidewinder design. Cut it to match your original key's blade pattern. Next, electronically program the key to your vehicle's ECU using the OBD2 port. This links the key to the immobilizer system. Specialized equipment like an OBD2 scanner or VCI tool is required. These devices connect to the vehicle's diagnostic system for programming. Enter the vehicle's Learn mode, which differs by model year. This process teaches the ECU to recognize and accept the new key. Essential tools include blank keys, a key programmer, and possibly Chrysler Tech Authority software. These components manage the programming steps. Note that incorrect programming can activate anti-theft modes. DIY duplication may damage the ECU. If issues occur, dealer assistance is usually required.